Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool envelope I just designed. See? And it opens up. And you can stick something in there. Like some money or something as a gift. Or maybe other stuff, like origami models. Like an origami wasp. This is the wasp I just designed. And to learn how to fold this, I'll have a tutorial for it one day. Okay, but in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the super simple origami envelope. And it does close. And you can put a little sticker on there if you want to seal it closed. And it makes a really nice gift. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of cones. So let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. Okay, unfold, and fold that this way. Okay, and now we're going to fold this up, and we're going to divide this into thirds. So, this is the hardest step, but all the rest of the steps are super easy. So we're going to fold this so that this is equal to this. So just estimate it, and then fold this part behind, and just fiddle with the folds until they align. So it's sticking out just a little right there, so I'm just going to just move it backwards or move it forwards, back and forth, and then once you're happy with your thirds, make sure the points and stuff align, and once you're happy with it, pinch. Okay, and take this point and fold it to this grease mark. Okay, unfold, and just loosen up that part right there, and fold this point to here. Okay, and now we're going to stick one flap inside the other, and it doesn't matter which one. Just open the flap here, and I'm going to stick the flap inside. Like that. Okay, now turn over, and we're just going to fold this edge up just a little bit. So that way when we open the envelope, there's no hole like this. This will keep it closed, the bottom closed. Alright, crease that nice and sharp. See? And now, see, it's closed right there. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. And now the last step, fold this up about like this. It's to taste. Yep, so I'm going beyond these 2 points. So like this, it's to taste. Or you can fold it directly to the middle if you'd like. And there's the envelope. See, it's that easy. So you can just open it up. It'll be like a perfect Mother's Day gift or a gift for something, like a birthday or something, or a Christmas gift. Yeah, and you can put money inside there and close it up. You can put a piece of tape over that or a sticker to seal it. And it makes a really nice gift. And yeah, and I don't really know what else to say, except it's pretty cool. Alright, hope you guys like that. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Oh, and if you keep this closed, this might fly like a flicker too. But it's not going to fly good like this because it's sticking up. Okay, enough with that. I'll see you guys later.